Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V21 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom in order to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which we can customize. So in order to set date, time and the time zone manually, we have to turn off the network provided option. So let's tap on both of those switchers, and as you can see the date, time and the time zone again options are active, so we can freely tap on it, and from this calendar we can pick the date we want to use. So for example this one, just tap on OK, and as you can see it will immediately be changed. Let's tap on the time, and from this clock we can also pick the time. So let me pick for example 4:31. Let's tap on OK, and as you can see it will immediately appear on the status bar also. After picking the time zone, tapping on the region, you will be transferred to the full list of all available regions from which we can choose, and all you have to do right now is to simply tap on the one you would like to set. So let me pick this one. Okay. And as you can see it has been immediately applied, and in this particular case the time zone did not change the time, but be aware that after changing the time zone the time will also change according to it. Of course you can change the time format also. Right now we are using 24-hour format, but if you'd like to use 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher right here. So actually this is it. This is how to customize the date and time. Of course you can get back to all previous settings, just tap on this switcher and those for the network provided time and time zone. So actually this is it. This is how to change date and time in your VIVO V21. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.